Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to analyze spending reports in Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a simple envelope budgeting app that helps you track where your money goes. But the real power comes from its spending report, which shows you habit over time. By analyzing this report, you can understand where you've overspent, which categories take most of your money, and how to improve saving. And this guide will show you how to read and analyze spending reports step by step. First, open any of the web browser you prefer. On the top, there's an address bar typed on goodbudget.com and enter it. And here, make sure to log into your account if you already have not so. And once you get into this interface of a Goodbudget, what you can do is you can simply go to this report section in the top here, and under this report you can select the spending by envelope, spending by pay, each manually, and this is where all the spending data is shown. You usually see the charts and category breakdown. Once you click onto this, over here you'll see the graph if there's any of the sufficient data available for you, and longer periods help you see patterns, not just daily spending. And that is it. This is how you can analyze spending reports in Goodbudget. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.